Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Daniel's Journey. I will start off with my stats real quick in case you're new. My highest recorded weight was 344 pounds. My surgery weight was 308 pounds. My surgery was at Marietta Memorial Hospital with Dr. Agaba on November the 5th of 2018. I don't even know where to start for this week. I know last week I didn't make a video. It's just been crazy busy with stuff. This week has been rough as well. I was going to make a video on Saturday, yesterday, and I'm just now getting around to it. Oh goodness, it's just been busy with trying to catch up on my college work, doing that, and then on Thursday I was sitting at a red light and got rear-ended in my brand new car that I've had for 3 weeks. So I'm without a vehicle right now. It's just been crazy. So of course I ended up with whiplash. My neck is killing me, my shoulders, my back. I've had a non-stop headache. And the bad thing about it is I think I would feel better if I could take ibuprofen, but we're not allowed to take ibuprofen. So I've been using rice pack to heat up and ice pack, and that's all I can do. They gave me some muscle relaxers, so I've been doing that. I'm actually going to go to the chiropractor on Tuesday because they've got I don't know what they're called. It looks like a little wand type thing. It's ultrasound, but it's supposed to help with inflammation and stuff, so I'm going to that on Tuesday, hopefully. Hoping to get a rental car tomorrow, but I really couldn't do anything until I get the police report because the lady didn't give me any of her information. She only gave the stuff to the police, and the police wouldn't tell me anything. They just told me everything would be on the accident report, which was supposed to be ready Friday afternoon, and it wasn't. So that put me behind on trying to get a rental car and stuff, because I could go ahead and get a rental car, but if something happens, she doesn't have insurance, then I'm going to have to put it over onto my insurance to cover all this stuff. So I don't know. It's a whole process. I called and got a lawyer on Friday morning just because I've never had this happen, and I just want to make sure my car gets fixed, and I want to make sure my hospital bill gets paid. So he told me everything to do, told me what chiropractor to go to and everything, so that way when I go to the chiropractor, I'll fill it out as an accident claim, so I won't have to pay anything out of pocket for that. And then if she doesn't have insurance, my car insurance will still pay for the chiropractor and all that stuff, so I don't know. But anyways, I'm also supposed to be starting a new job tomorrow, just a part-time job, for extra cash and stuff. So that's a mess because I'm trying to figure out how to get there and to the courthouse to get the police report. It's just aggravating. And actually, I drove my car home from the accident site, but my insurance company and my lawyer told me do not drive my car. So I'm kind of stuck in that way because it's like I need a vehicle, but I have to wait till I get the police report tomorrow to find out if she has insurance and stuff to see what I'm doing with a rental car, and it's just a big mess. I don't know. This has never happened to me before, so it's a pain in the rear end. So I'm sure if any of you guys have been through this before, you know it can be a hassle, I guess. I don't know. So, but I'm hoping she has insurance, and I'm hoping her insurance company gets my car fixed quickly and everything, so I don't have to even use the lawyer. But I do have him in case they try to fight me on fixing my car or anything like that. So I got that taken care of. The college classes, I do not even know. I'm not doing that great in them. I'm trying my best, but especially the psychology class, the way they word these questions and stuff is just, it's getting me. It's crazy. So, of course, I have been stress eating some since then because, and I know it's bad, but anyways, Uh, I don't remember. I think when I weighed in on my last video 2 weeks ago, I want to say I was at two. Was it 228, 230? I can't remember for sure. But anyways, when I weighed in yesterday morning, I'm at 227 pounds now. So I know I've lost since the last video 2 weeks ago, but I can't remember exactly what that weight was. I apologize about that. I've just had so much going on that I haven't kept track of it. Also, if you don't follow me on Facebook, check out, I'll put the link below. I have another YouTube channel as well. It's called All About Food. And I started it a while back to do videos on recipes and cooking food and everything. And I kind of strayed away from it and hadn't made any videos. So I did start that back the other day. I've made, I think, one or two videos. And I'm going to continue to do that. Now, all of them are not going to be bariatric friendly recipes, just because, I mean, I cook for Mom and I cook for other people. Sometimes I'll cook stuff and take food to my neighbors and take stuff to my sister and stuff. So I'm not always going to make recipes that's 100% bariatric friendly, but I am also going to do recipes that are bariatric friendly. So if you want to check that out, it's called All About Food, and I will put the link to that channel below and in the description, so you can check that out as well. And like I said, there's not a whole lot of videos on there, but I'm working on, I will get more videos put up as well, so you might want to check that out. Other than that, it's just been busy with school and everything. The nursing home that I'm working at now, well, I'm working there, but I haven't been working because when I started working there, my license in Ohio was getting ready to expire. So they was trying to get me in there quick to start working so they could report that I was working and my license would stay active. Well, they didn't report in time. I don't even know how they report or how that works, but they didn't do what they needed to on their end in time, so my license lapsed. So I've been off work there for a little over a week because I had to fill out a bunch of paperwork and send to the nursing board to get my license reinstated for Ohio. So that's been a big mess with that, which it's aggravating because I think they should at least let me do office work or something in between. I can't help that they didn't report on time, but of course I have to pay for that. Once again, it's just my bad luck. So anyways, in between with that, I decided to start driving for DoorDash. And there's some days that it's not very busy because I live in a really small area. So, some days there's either nothing at all or there's a bunch. So, of course, on the days that there's nothing at all, you don't really make anything. But the days that it has been busy that I've worked, I've made almost $100 a day. So I can't complain on that because, even being off work, it made up all the difference. I was able to pay all my bills and have extra left. So can't complain about that. But of course, I'm aggravated because now I can't drive for DoorDash right now because my car's all messed up. So it's one thing after another. I swear, if I did not have bad luck, I would have no kind of luck whatsoever. It's just, I don't know. Sometimes you just want to throw in the towel and be like, I'm done. But it's life. Life throws us bad things at times, and I guess we got to keep on going. So I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. I know school's going to be starting back soon, and we've had a couple cooler days here lately that actually felt like fall. It was nice. I love fall. That crisp air. You can smell the leaves that's fallen. I guess it's the leaves that you smell. I don't know. I always say October and fall time has a different smell, but I think it's where the leaves is changing and falling off the trees and stuff. But I love that. Just to put a hoodie on and drink a cup of hot chocolate or a hot cup of coffee and just enjoy the fall breeze. I absolutely love it. Other than that, there's not a whole lot going on. I'll keep everyone updated. Like I said, trying to get caught up with college and everything. Yeah, so that's about it. I do have some questions that I'm going to try to do a tag video. I know we haven't done a tag video in a long time, so I want to try to maybe get that done today. In between schoolwork. I've only got a couple weeks left of school and I'm like way super behind still. I've been trying to get caught up, but it hasn't. I mean, you know, I'm caught up to a point, but I would have liked to have been further ahead than what I am. So I'm going to work on that all day today, and if I have time in between, then I'm going to do this tag video. So I hope everyone's having a great weekend, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.